guess what I found? Milano new cookies. I have for you strawberry and white chocolate and lemon and white chocolate. Yes. 2 for $7 over at Meijer. And you betcha I'm going to get 2. So let's try them. Let's try lemon first. Lemon is my favorite. All right, it says, I will hold it so you can look. Bright lemon flavored paired with sweet, creamy white chocolate hidden between delicate cookies. Everything about that sounds good. I have no problem. Okay. Oh, they're just thrown in there. Okay. All right. Ooh, you smell the lemon right away. Lemony. Lemon smell. Mm-hmm. Yes. The lemon is not overwhelming. As much as I smelled the lemon, I thought it would be a stronger lemon flavor, but it's a nice delicate flavor. It's a nice light lemon flavor. Let's try it again just to make sure. Yes, yes. Light lemon between those 2 delicious cookies. You got the citrusy, I don't know about chocolate, white chocolatey flavor, but it tastes good. It's good. Now, I'm going to take a cleansing drink before I try the strawberry. Okay. All right. Trying to get the citrus out of me. Now, the strawberry. Vibrant strawberry flavored paired with sweet, creamy white chocolate hidden between 2 delicate cookies. Where have we heard that before? Now, we're going to try strawberry if I can get them open. Oh, yep. Strawberry smell. Yep. Okay. You got your light, delicate cookie with the, you can see right there, the spread of strawberry white chocolate. Okay. Hard to take another bite. Yes, it is. Tastes like strawberry. It's a light strawberry flavor, not overwhelming. And I don't know, anytime you get anything strawberry, it tends to taste like kind of artificially. But this is good. I like it. If you were to present the cookies to me again, I would eat. I have a whole bag now. I'm going to eat them. So, yeah, they're good. Light strawberry flavor, maybe a little artificially, but I think any strawberry flavor to me tastes a little artificially, but that's me. I'm going to eat it. So, the cookies are delicate. Milano cookies. Delicate, delicious, crispy texture paired with the lemon or the strawberry chocolate, white chocolate. So, they're good. I like them. I would buy them again. If we're going to put it on a number scale, I give them a 9. Nothing's perfect. But, yeah, they're really good. I'd buy them again. Then that's all I got for you. That is it for today. I'm still in search of those hot Ritz Ritz Crackers came out with a hot version, which I want to try. So when I find them, I'll share them with you. But like I said, that's all I got. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I thank you to everybody who joins me. You have a good day.